Hello everyone. In this tutorial video, let's learn how to import your custom indicators into Fintechee. And you can code your own custom indicators and then import the indicators into the system. They are not built-in indicators, so you can import your own custom indicator. Actually, we have provided a lot of built-in custom indicators in our GitHub repository, so you can get them for free there. The repository's name is Expert Advisor Studio. In this example, we will use Fintechee Crypto Loader as our example. This is a plugin. This is an indicator plugin, and it can load some specific cryptocurrencies, streaming quotes, and historical data. So it's very useful for crypto world. Let's see how to import them. First of all, and you need to copy and then move to our menu bar and choose this one, console, and paste the source code here. Click run button. Okay, it's done. And then you can check the new custom indicators in the indicators list. You can see it's there. And after that, we can run it. Just add an indicator. Find it in the list. And click add an indicator button. Now it's loaded and added to the chart. And you can see the symbol's name is still Euro USD, and we need to change it to Bitcoin and Ether. Click change button. Now you can see the chart changed, right? Ether and Bitcoin's data is loaded. It's running. Okay, so very simple. Hopefully it can be helpful to your trading. Happy trading every day. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.